नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। This is JV and Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Department of Homeopathic Repertory, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is Concordance Repertory. Concordance repertory, also known as the Puritan group of repertory, cause in those repertory symptoms are present in their own original form, not converted into the rubrics. Concordance definition. The word concordance means harmony, synchronization, arrangement in alphabetical order of important words, etc. The word concordance was first of all used by Dr. Boning Hassan in homeopathic literature. It was replaced by Allen into the relationship of the remedies. Concordance repertory. Repertory is a repertory based on the alphabetical arrangement and the symptoms of the materia medica in their original form. This repertory belongs to the Puritan group. The concordance repertory is available to the homeopathic profession are the gentry repertory and the Nair repertory. The Gentry repertory, author William D. Gentry, while searching for a complex symptom, constant dull frontal headache, wars in the temples with aching in the umbilicus, he came up with the idea of compiling a concordance repertory. The repertory is divided into 6 volumes. The author had used the phraseology of materia medica without much change. Gentry Concordance Repertory. The repertory covered around 420 remedies on symptom can be referred to at in many places. This repertory is an excellent tool for reference work, but is not useful for systemic repertorization. It can be used for only research purpose or reference work also. Repertory of Herring Guiding Symptoms of our Materia Medica by Dr. C.B. Nair. It was published in 1996, the repertory contains 408 medicines. The main source of repertory is Herring Materia Medica. The order of arrangement followed in the compilation of this repertory is the one inaugurated by Henneman, developed, perfected, and used by Herring in his Materia Medica, with the anatomical divisions into the 48 chapter. So this is the repertory of Herring. Repertory of Herring guiding symptom of our Materia Medica. There are 4 marks of distinction. Dark double vertical line indicates symptoms repeatedly verified, carried highest marks. Single vertical dark line indicate verified by cures. Double thin vertical line indicates symptoms more frequently confirmed or if once confirmed strictly in the character with the genus of remedy perpendicular. Dot 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 that dots indicate observation taken from the old school and the T capital T indicate the toxicological extract. Repertory of Herring guiding symptom of our materia medica. The symptoms are arranged the original form in alphabetical order. The repertory begins with the chapter on mind and disposition, and the last chapter is drug relationship, that is the relationship of the remedies, the first introduced by Allen. The organ-wise classification follow the Hahnemann schema till 34th chapter, and the remaining chapter represent the reaction of the body. Merits of the concordance repertory. Repertory with proverse language. Vast information present in those repertories. Section for stages of life like constitution, temperament, drug relationship, cross references are available in those repertories. My reference books are The Essential of Repertorization by Shashikant Tiwari and Repair by Khanaj. The topic is completed. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it quickly. Thank you. Thank you so much.